This is correction in the workbook for pages 46 to 48. Okay, I'm going to start with the exercise number 9. I'm not going to do exercise number 8. Okay, I told you to do activities from number 9 on. And the first one, choose the parts to form characters according to the pinyin. So we are going to use these different radicals here in order to do the characters for the pinyin given. So here you have, for example, for the first one, hai, we're using just this one here, okay? And the other one is this one here. Next one, for this one, we are using, okay, he, we are using this one here. And we are using this one here. Okay, and so on. So that way we form these different characters. Now you can stop the video and take notes of the correction for this. I continue with correction for exercise number 10. Okay, here we have different words and we need to say the characters for these words. Okay, if you have written the pinyin, that's okay. I'm going to write the characters and also the pinyin. Okay, so here you have the characters, okay, for these words. And also I'm going just in a second to write the pinyin. Here you have the pinyin. So please stop the video now and you can check your own answers. We continue with exercise number 11. We have to choose the correct pictures according to the Chinese. Okay, so first we do this 1 and 2. So the first one, 我们买苹果 apples. This is the keyword here. Okay, apples. So letter A. Number 2, 桌子上有水果和点心. On the table there are fruits and also cakes. So as you can see here, letter B, we have this cake, okay, and fruit. Let's continue with the next part, okay? Here we have sentences 3 and 4. Number 3, 我要买2瓶果汁和1瓶汽水. I want to buy 2 bottles of, this is 果汁, which is juice, and 1瓶汽水, and 1 bottle of soda. So letter A, we have 2 bottles of, we understand that this is 果汁, this is juice, okay? And here we have the soda, okay? So these are the 2 keywords. Number 4, 他的小猫喜欢牛奶，还喜欢鱼. Her little cat likes milk and also likes fish. If you realize here in the first one, we have the cat likes fish, but he doesn't like milk, okay? Milk is over there. Letter B, the cat likes milk, but he doesn't like fish. But in this picture, let us see, the cat is drinking milk and also he is holding a fish, okay? So we can see that this one is the correct answer here. Please take notes as we are going to continue with the next activity. You can now stop the video for a moment. We're going to continue with activity number 12. So, fill in the blanks with the number of the correct picture according to the Chinese. So we have here 6 pictures, but very important, as you realize, we have sentences, dialogues number 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the next page, okay? So here we have these pictures. I'm going to complete first 1, 2, and 3, and then we will continue with 4. The first one, 你买什么? what do you buy? Okay, 我买一斤点心. I buy 1 kilo. Remember, this is a Chinese kilo, half a kilo of ours. So I buy 500 grams of cakes or sweets. If you realize here, picture number 6, we have some sweets here. Okay, so 点心, this is a keyword here, sweets, number 6. Next, 你要什么? What do you want? 我要3瓶水. I want 3 bottles of water. So picture number 2. Okay, we can see here 1, 2, and 3 bottles of water. And number 3, 你还要什么? What else do you want? 我还要2斤苹果. I also want 2 half kilos of apples. So I also want this letter 4. Okay, we have here some apples. So 苹果 apples. We continue with number 4. We translate number 4. 你要咖啡吗? Do you want coffee? 我不要咖啡. I don't want coffee. 我要茶. I want tea. So number 5. If you realize we have here 2 pictures. Number 1 is cafe, okay, is coffee. And number 5 is cha, tea. Okay, so we're choosing this one. Do you want coffee? No, I want tea. So letter 5. This is picture number 5. So this is the exercise complete. Please check your answers as we are going to continue with the next one. We continue with exercise number 13, okay? We have to choose the correct translations. And here we have different ways of saying something. Only one of them is correct. So if you realize in these sentences, the important part is that, for example, sometimes the order or sometimes the expressions we are using. For example, number 13, the first one, I'm learning Chinese and French. The keyword here is this he, okay? We use hai when we refer to 2 verbs. For example, I want to study Chinese. I want to, for example, read a book. Okay, we have 2 different actions, so we will be using hai. But in this point, we are using with 2 nouns. We are using he. 我学习中文和法文. I study Chinese and French. Number 2, I want a bottle of water and a bottle of juice. 我要1瓶水和1瓶果汁. A, why? Again, we are using this he in order to say and in Chinese when we are using 2 nouns. Okay, this is important. And ye, this is used to connect 2 different activities. So that is not the point. Okay, we are saying just 2 different things, not activities. Number 3, what do you like? Here, the problem is the order of the sentence. If you realize in the book, we have this sentence and the correct order is 你要什么? And it's not 什么你要. This is incorrect, okay? So the correct one, 你要什么, the first one. And number 4, how many jins? Remember, jin, half a kilo, 500 grams of pastries, of sweets do you want? Okay? 你要几斤点心? 几斤点心你要? The first one. This is the order of the sentence. This is the important part, and we need to respect this order in Chinese. This is very important. Okay, so this is correction for exercise number 13. Please stop the video, check your answers, and I will be continuing with the next one. So here we have exercise number 14. You can do many different characters here, but I want you to write these ones. Okay, if you have done it, if you have done different characters, that's okay, but please try to do these ones if you haven't done this exercise before. So remember that you can watch this video again, you can check your answers, you can stop the video at any moment, and all the questions, please remember to later, you can send them to me and we can discuss, okay?